Welcome back. Today we are tackling a popular algorithmic question called boats to save people. This problem is a fantastic way to learn about greedy algorithms and the two-pointer technique. Let's dive in. Here is the scenario. We have a group of people waiting to be rescued. We know the weight of every single person. Our mission is to transport everyone to safety using rescue boats. The challenge is to figure out the minimum number of boats needed to get the job done. Before we start solving, we must understand the rules. First, each boat has a capacity limit of exactly 2 people. You cannot squeeze 3 people onto one boat, no matter how light they are. Second, there is a strict weight limit. The combined weight of the people on a boat cannot exceed this limit. Let's look at an example. Imagine we have 4 people with weights 3, 2, 2, and 1. The boat's weight limit is 3. Looking at these numbers, how would you arrange them to use the fewest boats possible? Take a moment to think about it. The key to solving this efficiently is organization. The first thing we should do is sort the people's weights in ascending order, from lightest to heaviest. Sorting helps us make quick decisions about who to pair together. We will use a greedy strategy. This means we make the best possible choice at each step. We always pick the heaviest person left waiting. Then, we try to pair them with the lightest person available. If they fit together, great. If not, the heaviest person is too heavy to share a ride, so they must take a boat alone. We can implement this using 2 pointers. One pointer, called left, starts at the lightest person. The other pointer, called right, starts at the heaviest. In our example, the heaviest person weighs 3. We check if they can pair with the lightest person, who weighs 1. 3 plus 1 is 4, which is greater than our limit of 3. Since they exceed the limit, the heaviest person cannot pair with anyone. They must go alone. We send 1 boat for person number 3. We then move our right pointer inward to the next heaviest person, but we keep our left pointer where it is. Now our heaviest remaining person weighs 2. Our lightest person still weighs 1. We check the sum. 2 plus 1 equals 3. This is exactly equal to our limit. It is a perfect fit. Because they fit, we put both of them in the second boat. Now we have rescued everyone. We move both the left and right pointers inward, and since they have crossed each other, we know we are finished. Let's talk about performance. The time complexity is O of n log, and this is primarily because of the sorting step we did at the start. The pairing process itself is very fast, taking only linear time. The space complexity is O of 1, or constant space, as we only need a few variables to track our pointers and the boat count. To summarize, sort the weights, use 2 pointers to pair the heaviest with the lightest whenever possible, and count the boats. This greedy approach guarantees the optimal solution. Thanks for watching and happy coding.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.